I don't think that it's ever too late to pursue what you're passionate about. I'm a 37-year-old woman, and I plan to continue gaining knowledge and building this profession.
The apprenticeship program is a 2-year program where we take men and women who are interested in furthering their knowledge in this industry, and it's been quite successful.
The reason I pursued this program specifically in wastewater, I was going to school for environmental health and safety. I wanted to be a health and safety manager. And this was one of the classes that was in my courses, and I just kind of fell in love with everything that goes along with it. I know most people don't aspire to be a wastewater operator, but I just really enjoyed what it stood for. The apprenticeship program wasn't actually a part of the plan until after I finished college. I started to pursue that at the end of my college degree and my internship at Gates Corporation. I realized that I didn't want to be in an industrial setting. I wanted to be out in the sunlight and doing other different day-to-day operations. The advice that I would offer to someone looking for the apprenticeship program is that it is very beneficial, not only to the environment, but to your character. You're going to learn a lot about what goes into the day-to-day operations here and how you can benefit not only yourself, but the people around you and in your community. The reason this path works for me is I am continuously gaining education. I'm able to come to work every day and learn, and I will not be financially held back in any way. It's paid for by the city of Fulton. They're making sure that everything is copacetic, and I'm learning quite a bit through them. It was difficult for me to get into wastewater because I didn't have enough knowledge. I didn't have a foot in the door. I didn't have real experience other than that I wanted to do this. And my boss, Anna, gave me the opportunity. I'd been looking for 5 years to get into this program, and she took a chance, let me in, and I'm doing the best that I can to show her that she made the right decision.